Hey guys, how's it going? Peter Boca here. In this video, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to adjust the idle screw on a two-stroke carburetor. So basically, this will apply for a leaf blower, string trimmer, hedge trimmer, edger, etc. Basically, all of them will, most anyway, will have this little screw here, and that's exactly what we're trying to adjust here on this machine. So I'm just going to use my PB265L as an example. So basically, you want to look for this screw here, and you can see here you can use either a small flathead like I have here, or a small Phillips will work too on there. So basically, the way that this works is when you turn it this way to the left or counterclockwise, that will make the engine idle slower. But if you turn it this way, clockwise or to the right, that will make the engine run higher. And yeah, so I guess I'll demonstrate that. Just start this up. Okay, now I'm going to turn it to the left. And you can hear it starting to run a lot slower. Now, yeah, you don't want to run it too slow because otherwise it will stall out. So I'm just going to turn it back up a little bit and restart it. Okay. So we'll leave it about there. Alright. So there's the video on how to do this. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.